Objective: in each series, look for the degree and direction of change between the numbers. In other words, do the numbers increase or decrease and by how much? Example 1. Look at this series: 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and so on. What number should come next? A. 1 by 3, B. 1 by 8, C. 2 by 8, D. 1 by 16. Answer: B. 1 by 8. Explanation: this is a simple division series. Each number is 1/2 of the previous number. Another term to say the number is divided by 2 successively to get the next result. Example 2. Look at the series: 7, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12 and so on. What numbers should come next? A. 7, B. 10, C. 12, D. 13. Answer: B. 10. Explanation: this is a simple alternating addition and subtraction series. In the first pattern, 3 is added, in the second, 2 is subtracted. Let me answer. What would come at the end of 2, 4, 8, 16, dash, dash? Teacher's note: series is a pattern used in alphabets, members and any figure. Guide learners to complete the given exercise. Time to do. 1. Look at this series: 36, 34, 30, 28, 24. What number should come next? A. 20, B. 22, C. 23, D. 26. Answer: B. 22. 2. Look at this series: 22, 21, 23, 22, 24, 23. What number should come next? A. 22, B. 24, C. 25, D. 26. Answer: C. 25. 3. Look at the series: 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, 27. What number should come next? A. 12, B. 14, C. 27, D. 53. Answer: B. 14. 4. Look at this series: 21, 9, 21, 11, 21, 13, 21. What number should come next? A. 14, B. 15, C. 21, D. 23. Answer: B. 15. 5. Look at this series: 58, 52, 46, 40, 34. What number should come next? A. 26, B. 28, C. 30, D. 32. Answer: B. 28. 6. Look at this series: 3, 4, 7, 8, 11, 12. What number should come next? A. 7, B. 10, C. 14, D. 15. Answer: D. 15. 7. Look at this series: 8, 22, 8, 28, 8. What number should come next? A. 9, B. 29, C. 32, D. 34. Answer: D. 34. 8. Look at this series: 31, 29, 24, 22, 17. What number should come next? A. 15, B. 14, C. 13, D. 12. Answer: A. 15. 9. Look at this series: 80, 10, 70, 15, 60. What number should come next? A. 20, B. 25, C. 30, D. 50. Answer: A. 20. 10. Look at this series: 2, 6, 18, 54. What number should come next? A. 109, B. 121, C. 162, D. 216. Answer: C. 162. 11. Look at this series: 201, 202, 204, 207. What number should come next? A. 205, B. 211, C. 208, D. 101. Answer: A. 205. 13. What number should come next? X, W, U, T, R, Q, A, L, B, P, C, O, D, M. Answer: C, O. 14. What alphabet should come next? S, E, U, H, W, K, B, Z, C, Y, D, O. Answer: B, Z. 15. Find the missing pair of letters in the series: E, N, F, N, G, M, H, M. A, L, I, B, I, L, C, L, J, D, K, M. Answer BIL. 16. What alphabet should come next? NOKLH. AE BF CD DI. Answer DI. 17. Find the missing pair of letters in the series. FCHGJKLONS. APW BWP CQX DXQ. Answer APW. 18. Find the missing pair of letters in the series. CFILOR. AUS BUX CST DSU. Answer B UX. 19. Find the missing pair of letters in the series. AZDXGVJTMR. AORBOOCPPDRR. Answer CPP. Let me answer. What would come at the end of AZBYCXDW?